Hey, little girls, you ready to come out? What? What are you saying? What is it? What? You want to come out? You want to come out? You want to just pick at me? I'm coming. I'm coming. What kind of a day are you having? Huh? What kind of a day are you having so far today? Huh? What kind of a day? You having a good day? Huh? Are you having a good day? Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Come here. Whoa. Well, I guess you don't want to be picked up today. I guess you don't. Heaven's sakes. Heaven's sakes. Okay, come on out. I won't hurt you. I won't try to pick you up. I'm sorry. It's all right. It's all right. You don't have to be picked up if you don't want to be. Do you want to be? Do you want to be picked up? Hey, Agnes. Agnes, come here. Come here. Come here. Do you want to be picked up? Come on over here. Come on over here. Let me see you. Let me see you. Oh, you know you want me to pick you up. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. No? Really? Really? You really don't want me to? Huh? I guess you don't. I guess you don't.